Alright, once again, January 30th, 2010. This is box number 3, Triple Threads, 2009. Getting another phone call.
Text message.
We're popular.
Hopefully we'll get a book out of this pack.
That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a book.
Pardon. A little something on the table here. No book in this one.
Looks pretty thick though.
Base, DeMarcus Ware, Anquan Bolden, Matt Forte.
Triple patch auto, another.
Another Flacco. Let's see. Joe Flacco. Baltimore Ravens. Number 1 of 10.
The first
auto.
one ever made.
Triple swatch. Very nice. D'Angelo Williams. Maurice Jones-Drew. Don't feel like we got a book in this one either.
Oh, disappointment.
Just gotta keep buying them. The ultimate search for the books. Michael Turner, Aaron Rodgers, Jamarcus Russell.
There we go. There's a triple patch. No auto on that one, but that's
okay.
a that's a
nice Adrian Peterson.
6 patches on there.
Number 17 of 20. It's very nice purple.
A-L-L-D-A-Y.
Too bad they didn't make it into the. They didn't make it through the playoffs. It's a shame.
Crying shame.
And then Chad Ochocinco, Jonathan Stewart. And that's our 2 hits. 1 of 10. Joe Flacco. 17 of 20. Adrian Peterson. Would have been a lot better had they made it into the Super Bowl, but hey, we'll take it. Good pack.